Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police is all set to extend much-needed assistance to victims of Typhoon Pablo. Aside from conducting search and rescue as well as clearing operations in devastated areas, the PNP will also send blankets, drinking water, and used clothes. Here's Alvin Baltazar with this report.
The Police Community Relations Group is set to distribute 10,000 pieces of blankets to the affected residents of Typhoon Pablo who are now displaced to various evacuation centers. PCRG Director, Chief Superintendent Bernardo Florese, who is also the task group commander of the PNP Disaster Management Preparedness, said they are also prioritizing to send mineral water to calamity victims. Anytime, according to Florese, that PNP Chief General Nicanor Bartolome orders to send the items that include used clothes, they immediately will deliver it to the concerned affected families.
Blankets natin, 1,000 isang pack. So we have 10,000 all in all hanggang dun sa likod. Ito, mga used clothing. Yan, marami tayo yan. And then the other side, yung mineral water natin, marami pa. So, ready din lang to for dispatch. Anytime. Pag may go signal na sa GPRD, then based on the recommendation of the task group, then we dispatch this.
Florese added that though there is set to conduct search and rescue operation, the official stated that their men are already positioned in the area as well as the equipment which would be also used in the clearing operation.
Yung ating sa equipment naka-ready na. Preposition na yung ating mga water assets, and then yung mga equipment na kailangan yung rope, yung mga safety vest.
And to those who wanted to give their share in helping the calamity victims, they can get through cell phone number 0917-847-5757 or give their assistance straight to the office of the Relations Group in Camp Crame. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.